Still from the PAC, renewed concerns about the state of lockups and holding areas at some police stations. It was revealed that detainees were being fed a single dumpling per meal. The findings were unearthed following an assessment by the Auditor General.
The capacity at halfway through is 90. There were 158 detainees on the date of the visit. There for supper, they get one dumpling. Breakfast is also a dumpling. I'm really concerned that I think we can do better than this. You know.
Some of them had no.
Yeah.
Well, at least there was a dumpling. Quite a few. Denham Town, breakfast not seen. Lunch, pak choy and chicken, and supper, dumpling.
The permanent secretary at the Ministry of National Security said the matter was being addressed.
I really think this must be some violation of the human rights of these detainees, and I think some more attention, PS, needs to be paid.
Right. So that's why we said this was the context of the $200 a day meal, which we have now moved to, and said we're moving into open tender in January.
So how do you plan to do that? Do you plan to do it by region, by parish? How are you gonna?
By region, sir.